Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my English channel Elite English Club, and today I brought a new topic related with the grammar. 52 common Latin terms that we use everywhere and every time. So let's start to learn these words or these terms. So first of all, we say etc. That is etc. से आप लोग etc भी बोलते हैं, जिसका मीनिंग होता है and so on. So Lana brought many fruits, apples, banana, etc. So this is the use of the sentence or for etc. Now we use example. You know how it came? Example, it came from exemplary gratia. That is why it is called EG in short. Okay, but people mostly write wrong EX, for example. That is totally wrong, because EZ is the correct. EG, exemplary gratia, is the term which means example. Okay, so Ruben likes to watch team sports, example hockey and basketball. Now it is, that is in other words. In other words, it means IE, that is. It is a Latin word, it is. Okay, so it takes first the initial, it's it. That is the sentence used. Frida is a vegan. That is, or in other words, she does not consume animal products. Okay. Then ad nauseam. Ad nauseam is the term which means to the point of sickness. तो यहाँ पर इसका सेंटेंस में हम यूज़ करते हैं Sean went an ad nauseam about his medical problem. Okay. Next is ad infinitum, to infinity. It means Sandra complained about her honeymoon ad infinitum. मतलब infinite. Okay. Ad hoc. Ad hoc means for this situation. Okay. So you know, people appoint some appointments ad hoc. It means for the particular situation, not permanent. So the library was turned into an ad hoc shelter during the war. Now it is alibi. Alibi is elsewhere, otherwise explanation of one's whereabouts. So the suspect had a good alibi during the time of the robbery. Now you have heard many times bona fide. That is genuine reason, or genuine or real. Okay, a bona fide autograph of a famous figure can sell for thousands of dollars. Next term is de facto. De facto means in reality. Okay. She considered her partner of 15 years to be her de facto husband. Okay. Ergo, therefore, or then. My skin sunburns easily, ergo, I take my daily walk after dinner. Per se means by itself or essentially. His apartment per se is atrocious but he is decorated it so well that it actually looks nice. Now the next term is pro bono, means for good or free, or you can say at no charge. A counselor may do pro bono work in addition to paid sessions. Re-about. The company president sent out a memo re the holiday party. Re means about. Status quo means existing state. Milana wants a divorce, but Yvonne is happy with the status quo. Verbatim means literally, or since you can say in these exact words. Odessa transcribed the speech verbatim. Vice versa. Positions reversed. Carrie likes to brush Juanita's hair and vice versa. Now next is de jure, means by law. In some countries, women are granted de jure equally with men, but the day-to-day experience is much different. Now we will see new word, in flagranto delicto. It means in the act. It is hard to make an excuse when you are caught in flagranto delicto. In toto, as a whole. The doctor was able to remove the tumor in toto. Mea culpa. It means forgive me or my fault, I am guilty, or you can say apology. The news site printed a mea culpa after it incorrectly identified a public. Next is modus operandi. It means MO. Method of operation or way of doing. Modus operandi. The criminal's MO was to leave an unlit match behind at every scene. Oh. Next is pro forma. It means for form's sake or projected. The corporation issued a pro forma income statement. Next is non sequitur. It means it doesn't follow. Ian was famous for dropping non sequiturs into conversations. Next term is in situ, in that place or in position. Carcinoma in situ is a group of abnormal cells that have not spread. Next term is nota bene. It means NB, take note or worth noting. Nota bene, all late papers will get an F. A priori, from what comes before, or independent of experience or self-evident. All husbands are married is an a priori statement. Terra firma. It means solid ground. Mom and dad were fighting for a while, but now they are back on terra firma. Prima facie. At first glance. Prima facie, the woman holding the gun appears to be the perpetrator. Anno Domini. It means AD, the year of our Lord. Anno Domini. The Middle Ages started around AD 476 or Anno Domini. Antimaridum, that is AM, in the morning before noon. This medication should be taken every antimaridum. In absentia, in their absence. Paul graduated in absentia because he was volunteering overseas. In memoriam, in the memory of. The awards ceremony featured an in memoriam segment to all the actors who had died in the past year. Now, new term is in vitro. It means in glass or in a test tube. In vitro fertilization is now a common solution for couples who cannot get pregnant naturally. Lingua franca. It means common language. English is the major lingua franca in the world today. Per diem, by the day. I get $25 per diem to cover my business expenses. Per capita, by the head. In 2018, the mean per capita income in the United States was $50,000. Persona non grata, unwelcome person. Rendezvous has become a persona non grata at most bars in town. Post-scriptum, written later. P.S. Carla finished writing her letter and then added a postscriptum at the bottom. Postmortem, after death. The postmortem examination revealed a long scratch across the upper chest of the deceased. Postpartum, after childbirth. Postpartum depression and anxiety are common conditions. Pro rata, from that rate or in proportion. Your pro rata rent for the last 2 weeks of May will be $432.15. Semper Fidelis, that is always faithful. Semper Fi is the motto of US mariners. Videlicet, it means viz, namely, or that is to say, my mother only wears 3 cosmetics, viz, Videlicet, mascara, blush and lipstick. Ad libitum, ad lib, as you wish. Some actors work great with a script but cannot ad lib vent at all. Antebellum, before the war. One can visit many antebellum plantation in Savannah, Georgia. Circa, around about, means lagbhag. The Great Pyramid of Giza was finished circa 2560 BC. Curriculum vitae, that is CV, resume. Please submit your CV and cover letter to the Human Resources Department. De novo, from nothing or from scratch. The judge ordered a trial de novo after the first trial. Atelier, et al. And the others. Encyclopedia was edited by Jack Jones. Et al. Ipso facto, by that fact or therefore. Losing weight won't ipso facto improve your life. Magnum opus, great work or masterpiece. Beethoven's Ninth Symphony is considered to be his magnum opus. Now the last word is post-maridum, that is PM in the evening. The PM news, post-maridum news report was even more serious than the morning. So I hope you like this video and you got a new information regarding these words. So we will see new video with new terms. Keep watching, keep learning with Elite English Club and share, like and subscribe videos. Till then, take care.